Respiration involves the following steps: breathing or pulmonary ventilation, by which atmospheric air is drawn in and CO2 rich alveolar air is released out. Now, second step: diffusion of gases O2 and CO2 across alveolar membrane. Then third, transport of gases by the blood. Fourth is diffusion of O2 and CO2 between blood and tissues. And fifth is utilization of O2 by the cells for catabolic reactions and result release of CO2, that is cellular respiration. So steps are breathing or pulmonary ventilation, then second, diffusion of gases across alveolar membrane, then transport of gases by the blood. Fourth is diffusion of O2 CO2 between blood and tissues. Fifth is utilization of O2. Mechanism of breathing involves inspiration and expiration. Respiratory volumes and capacities. So first, respiratory volume is tidal volume. Value is 500 ml approximately. In healthy one, it's 6000 to 8000 ml of air per minute. Now, inspiratory reserve volume IRV, it's 2500 to 3000 ml. Expiratory reserve volume, it's 1000 to 100 ml. And residual volume, it is 1100 to 1200 ml. Now, inspiratory capacity IC, it's tidal volume plus inspiratory reserve volume. Expiratory capacity is tidal volume plus ERV expiratory reserve volume. Functional residual capacity is FRC, that is ERV plus RV. Vital capacity, it's ERV TV plus IRV. Exclude the residual volume. And in total lung capacity, it's TLC, that includes everything: RV, ERV, TV and IRV, or vital capacity plus residual volumes. So this was it. Expiratory reserve volume, it's 100 to 1100 ml, 1000 to 1100 ml. Inspiration is initiated by the contraction of diaphragm, which increases the volume of thoracic chamber in the anterior-posterior axis. Also, the contraction of external intercostal muscles. Now, relaxation of the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles returns the diaphragm and sternum. Okay. It says external intercostal muscles contraction of. Expiration, it's internal intercostal muscles.